Today I am going to install the Brite Box made by Aspire Auto. It's a US based company. This this kit comes with everything you need. It comes with all the label, all the instruction, all you need. This mod will give you the ability to turn on and off your fog lights. Many states in USA does not allow you to use all six lights. Instead of adding extra lights and disturbing the look of your vehicle, this mod will give you the full control to utilize what already you have, all six lights. If you're going off-road and very dark place where you need more light, you can utilize this one. And they are selling right now on their website. Make sure to buy with a switch, blue switch for 4Runner, and you can see it actually extend the variety and the light through the fog light. So now installation is very simple, but is to determine where to place it. So I determine where I have to place, how I'm gonna run it. I remove in advance a clip from this cable. It's very simple, just push with something sharp on the back of the connector and slide it outside. And you can take the clip out of the cable out of this clip. By doing this, you will able to fish it through your firewall of your vehicle to the cabin. So it's very simple. You can see when I push it from the front, from the top is press the one pin which allow me to slide it out these cables. So you will see easily. So now I'm using a gauge 16, whatever cable you have for fishing. You can use a hanger, a steel hanger if you want. And funny thing, in for Toyota 4Runner on the firewall there is a built-in path. They built in a pipe path that is goes inside in the cabin very easily. Just go ahead and tape this cable. I was thinking to put some grease so it's easy to slide, but I was thinking if it's stuck, then I will try the grease method or uh, DW40 or something like that. So if you see in the right now, I will show you in a little bit. Take the cutter and you can see this bump. This actually is a built-in pipe pass that is going inside in the cabin. So go ahead and cut the whole bump thing, this kind of a pimple or bump. Just cut this thing and you will easily pass the cable. You will easily fish it. So now I cut it with the cutter, and then when I fish it, it just simply came back. So I actually fished the whole cable from the back of the switch box, the cabin switch box, and I took it as much cable that I wanted, then I slide it back into the engine bay. So just take the cable, and removing this cover is very easy. I was a little bit scared, but I was able to remove it. Just push a little bit and it comes out. And from the left side, on this other side, you just pull it and it will come out easily. And removing the button, you will see I have two spots empty. So I'm using one of the spot to take the button. So it's a clip on the top. Just push it down and and push it down meanwhile, and then you can push the button towards you and it will come out. And I will show you in a second, and you will see I just need a small pry tool. I pull it down and then boom, it came out. So that's the actually fake button spot that you can use it. So now what I did, that I took that clip, that I removed it, and when I on my when I um, check and investigate a little bit, I figure out that when I was fishing, those clips were bended, so I moved them back so it cannot stuck in the clip on the light clips. So the first, if you face up, the first gonna be green, green going on the right first, and the middle one is gonna be a brown,
Brown.
and the left side, uh, or you can say third one is green, second one is brown, and first one is black. And just plug all the cable in, make sure it's all tight, not coming out.
There you go.
Plug the
Let's go
green
and test.
cable with that, and on the other hand plug the switch, move it slightly back. They already put a tape on the instruction. It says you can put a little bit tape on the all around the button, but it comes with like this. Make sure it's facing right way, and just push it back, and boom. So simple. So I checked it over here, and it was very easily. I was able to plug it back, and look at that. It's very nice button, feels nice, and have a uh, blue light in it, built-in blue light. So now I will go and open the uh, fog light area. I run the cable to the fog light area. Let me show you. So the cable is pretty long. Actually, if you put it in the middle, you will reach all over all spots. Or even if you put it on the front next to the light bulb area or next to the battery, you will easily take that cable up to the uh, cabin and to the fog light as well. Whatever, the cables are pretty long and good quality cables. So I run it from here. I tried to run it from the top. I found some spots. Camera was angles were very difficult to catch on the camera. Unscrew these three over here, um, screws, and one underneath. And this plastic is not fragile; it's a flexible plastic. Once you remove all these screws, just take the plastic cover on in the inside cover area and push it in, and you will easily remove it. So the camera view was pretty difficult. That's why I did not catch too much. So I'm using aftermarket LEDs. So the cable that the factory harness that going into the LED just plug with the Spire Auto uh, plug, and the other one going to the LED bulb. And now after that, I determine and plug the power power, insert the fuse, then plug the power. I actually plugged it, and then I realized that, oh no, I have to put the fuse inside. So just insert the fuse that comes inside in the kit. It might be 10 amps or 15 amps. So just plug it and tied it up and put a cover on the top. And I took a little bit time to determine and to clean up and to zip ties all the extra cable that outside. I actually did not left any longer cable inside in a cabin. I actually left it in the engine bay, so I can easily manage over here. I don't want it too much mess inside in the engine cabin area under the dashboard area. So just screw it tight. Make sure screw it pretty hard. And you can see. Put the cover on the top. Take your time and complete the cable management. Whatever cables, zip ties. Actually, before I temporarily place this Spire Auto box, come with the alcohol wipe it down, and come with the screw as well. Remove the tape from the back of the Spire Auto and just place it. Go and test and just close everything and see it's working. Yep. So you will see I also use little bit silicone um, on this spot just for my safety, in case the water not gonna go inside. The good thing is that the cable diameter is the same as the hole. that built-in hole. It comes with the hole. You just need to cut the cover. So when I fish it, I had no problem. So the cable is a good diameter. So I put it silicone over there just for my safety. And the silicone is very uh, removable. You can easily remove it if you want to remove the cable. And I run the fuse and harness from here, zip tied everything, checked everything again, and I plug the button and look at this. Now my light's not on, but it's a direct control. So fog lights on, nothing is on, nothing else is on. So now I turn on the flashlight and I turn off the button and flashlights are on. Flashlight like I mean the high beams are on and see high beams are on, but it's not on. So I can manually control in on this mode easily the fog lights. So now high beam is on, low beam is on, and now my fog lights are on. And let's see in a second. Here you go. So all six bulbs are on. So I have an LED very bright, so I don't need to install anything else to bright up the off-roading area when I go off-roading. I don't need to disturb the look of my vehicle. So that's the mode all about. So see, everything else is off and it's on. So thank you for watching. If you have any question or concern, leave in the comment. Thank you.